Okay, so STO process. Okay, so first we'll create a purchase order, STO purchase order. Okay, so last time we discussed, right? So STO purchase order, when you're creating STO purchase order, so you need to be understand about that. Document type is UB.
Documentation.
Okay, and item category U. Okay, and shipping tab should be there. Okay, so then should be like the INTRA STO. Okay, INTRA STO process, that means plan to plan transfer between the same company code. In the same company code. So in this process, how it will be happen? So we are creating customer number. Okay, that means our receiving client is my customer number. Receiving client is my customer. So we are creating under in supply plan.
Okay.
In supplying plan or supplying purchasing organization. Okay. So or sorry, supplying sales area. Customer, right? So supplying sales area. Okay. So this receiving plan we are assigning at STO configuration. Setup stock turn configuration, which we did right last time. So that configuration we have to do. So then we need to create a PO. First step one is create STO order. Okay. So where we are creating, who will be creating order? The receiving plant requested by receiving plant. So the receiving plant need some stock. So we are creating purchase order. That means STO order in receiving plant. Okay. Then in the step 2, based on this order, the supplying plant planning to issue. Supply plant planning to issue the stock. Issue the stock to receiving plant. Okay. So here they will create delivery. Okay, they will plan delivery. That means outbound delivery. This is going outside from our plant. So they will be creating outbound delivery. Then step 3, PGA. So picking also, if there is a picking or packing, anything which is there. So all this thing will happen, then PGA. Plus PGA. Post goods issue. Okay. So goods issue from supply plant. So the stock is moving from supply plant. Then the step 4, okay, receiving the goods in the receiving plant.
Receiving plan.
Okay. So this is the procedure which is right. And we are creating the dummy invoice. Okay. That is the pro forma invoice we call. In case if someone is these goods are going outside, right? So if someone is asking that what where is your sales invoice and tax and everything, then we'll just tell you that it is just transferring the stock from our plant to other plant. We are not selling, we are just transferring our goods into one branch to other branch. We are saying. So that is a pro forma invoice. So this PO will be creating in the ME21N. Okay.
Okay.
And this outbound delivery created by ST consultant will be VL10ND. Okay, VL10ND, or you can do VL10B also. Okay, then this delivery was created. Then PJ will be happen in VL02N. Okay, then pro forma invoice is VF01. Then the goods received in the receiving plant with MIU. So here, this was our MM step. Okay, and this was MM step. So other steps are all it is related to ST issue. So this is called MM and ST integration. So let's create the PO first. Okay, document type UB. And let's see before that stock, whether we have the stock or not. We have posted some stock yesterday. So 89 is the material, I think. Let's execute. 79 or 89 something. Let's see. This one. 87 or 89. Which is there? Okay, 87 this is. Okay. Okay. So let's see UP document type and ZSHB, and we are creating 57 is the stock we have, and ZSH, okay, and 10. Okay. So we are getting the problem here yesterday. So let's see in MM02 the sales data, SHB, PMLN, and DS. So okay, so loading group. Let's see loading group as well. Okay, and the same will plan for test church also. Lesson loading group here also. Okay, so now let's try again. Document IPV, then HP, and 87 I have to stop. Okay. Okay. So now let's see. If I have one quantity, I'm just transferring only one quantity. Let's see. Okay. So now if you can see now here, we got a shipping tab. So we got shipping tab. Okay. And the customer is ZSHH, which we created yesterday. And sales organization, distribution channel, division, delivery date, and delivery type, shipping tab, all shipping bonds, all things. We got this one. Okay. So now let's see warning messages. 87 have the only available on rigid rate only 0 pieces. Why 0 pieces? Because ZSHP 47 ZSHP have the 10 quantity. Okay, maybe we have created some other STOs, maybe because of that it is stuck. It's okay, no problem. ZSHP, ZSHP. And we are receiving plant created, and ZSHP is a supplying plant. Okay, so ZSHP. Let's try. Let's create. The purchase order was created. Let's see. The purchase order was created. Okay. Now we'll create that VL10D. Okay. So as the next process was STO process, the delivery outbound delivery which is created. So this is the ST process step. Okay. We are creating the outbound delivery. The system is generating delivery number based on availability. I'm just entering that PO number, whatever my PO number which is. That's PO number which I'm creating. The password I just entered, and I'm just removing the dates null, the delivery dates, and executing this one. Okay. Now the system will display. Okay. The PO number here. Then we'll create here background, creating delivery in the background. So system trying to create a delivery in case all the ST related which is satisfied. Okay. So then let's see if I can go to PO. Okay, I'm just refreshing PO. Okay, so there is a purchase order created, purchase order history created. In this purchase order history, you can see the delivery number. Okay, so the delivery number was created here. Okay, so the delivery was created. You can also go here, logs, and you can see the region logs can be created or not. You can see here. So the documents, everything, the documents, everything you can see here. The delivery number you can see here also. Same number. This is the delivery number, and this is also same delivery number. Okay. So now the delivery number was created. Okay. So this is the delivery number which is created as then I can go to VL02N. The next step is the delivery is created in the background. Okay, then I will be going to VL02N. Okay, and I'm just entering the delivery number. So this is the delivery number which is created, 87 material, and delivery quantity was 1 piece. Okay, and so and the purchase orders, the details, picked quantity, how much quantity. So actual delivery quantity is 10. If suppose it is 10, then how much you are picking the quantity. So you have to enter that picked quantity. And from the store location, how much you suppose you have you got 10 quantity order, then you don't have 10 quantity. You are planning to deliver only 1 quantity. Then you can change the delivery quantity is 1 and picked quantity also 1.
Okay.
So you can partially also can do or fully also can do. So here you can see the status of the goods movement here. Okay, so not it started. Okay, it is still not started. Okay, so like you can see that the picking is completed, picking status is completed because I entered the pick quantity 1, so picked, it is picked. Okay, clear?
Okay.
So if it is not picked, suppose let's say I'm just removing this 1 quantity, then the status will be not picked. Just I'm removing this one, and if you go to status for you, then it is still in the A. That means not picked, not yet started picking. Okay, so the picking process and all, they will be monitoring like this, whether the process was completed or picking is completed, packing is completed. You can see picking, packing, warehouse management. Okay, any pick confirmations, goods movement, and delivery billing. All these things will be there in the this status auto status. Okay, so this for you can see, and okay, now I'm just entering that save. Okay, now the delivery was completed. Okay, so I just saved this one. Then you can go to display here. Then you can see, okay, the delivery was completed. 1 picked quantity is completed. Okay, the delivery was updated. Picking quantity is updated, but still not, I'm not done PGA. Okay, still I'm not done PGA. So what you need to do, you have to be post the PGA. Okay, then what you need to do here, you have to go to change. Okay, change delivery. Okay. So you can see here subsequent documents also. In the top, you can see document inflow. Here in the document flow, you can see that picking request is completed. Picking is completed, but goods movement was not completed. So then what we can do now, you can do the PGA. Okay. So then you can see here there is a PGA goods movement checkbox is there. You can complete. So when you can complete PGA, once picking quantity was completed, then only you can do that. Okay. Just a moment. Okay, so PJ, once PJ is completed. Okay, now the storage location not defined for delivery. Okay, let's see if the picked quantity was delivered, which store location it is issued. So how to be enter the plant and store location also. Which store location it is? ZSHP, right? The stock is available in the ZSHP. So then PF post goods issue. So if everything looks good, then it will get posted. but OBYC anyway, it will come OBYC because we are done automatic account determination, so we have to set up all the accounts
Okay.
mapping, right? So
AUM.
what is the configure INT AUM? So AUM is the expensive related and INT and TXT1. So I'm just assigning TXT1 here. Okay, so I'm just save this one. Let's complete again post procedure. Material ledger not active for the JTCC. So this plant level that JTCC are not activated. So let's see if we can able to do or not. Actual cost. No. So there's some costing related which is coming. Let's see. SPRO. I think some code is there, but let's see. Actual costing or material. Time we see whatever we know the transaction cost is right transaction cost. Okay, so valuation area ZSHB is there, but ZSHH is not there. I'll just copy this one. SHH. Okay, I think that is okay. SHH and what else we have? One more also. ZSH. See. Okay. So 1x2 10 and 1x3 is 1x3 only. Okay, then 1x2. That is the material ledger level. Okay. And OMX1. Okay, material ledger activated. Then I think there is one more transaction to run, right? What is that transaction?
CKM start, sir.
PKM?
Start. STA.
Oh,
RT.
start.
Yes, sir.
Start switch. Okay. Okay, so that SHC what is it? ZSHH. It will can start C. And ZSHC. Okay, H. Okay, so then actual. Okay, step one. Okay, that one. Yeah, I'll just try this one. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, this is not required. Okay, done. VL028. This one again. I just completed delivery. Picking is completed. And I just updated that store location.
Correct.
Store location. Okay, autofill. Okay, just this one running. And okay, this one we can remove. L02. Okay, so we'll save first. We'll save first. So location updated, then we can do PGA. What's position? Let's see. Okay, there is some no item category. I think yesterday also we got this issue. 2850. 28520. Okay. Hmm. So this was also one thing. And we are 02 and now let's go to again and PGA. Okay, looks good, looks good, looks good. Posted, posted, document posted. Done. So the delivery also posted now. Okay. So display, you can see the display, and this is the urban delivery. And you can see in the document flow now picking first has completed, transfer also completed. Okay. Now this is the display of document. Okay. You can see this document in the MIGO display. Okay, it will go to MIGO display document. Material document was posted in the background. And you can see the moment X are 647. Okay, because now if you can refresh this one, okay. Now the stock wise, refresh this one, then the stock wise moved from here to there. So earlier here it is 10, now 9, and one step it is moved. So I am going with the one step procedure. It is showing 647. Then in this case, we don't need to do again goods is shipped because we are doing one step. So that one step is completed here itself. Goods is shipped and PJ both it is completed in one single step. Okay. So in this case, 647 moment type which is coming, and sequentially the background the system will be posted one at one also. So that's why you can see here there is a two documents which will display. Okay. If you go to MIGO, sorry, ME23 and PO. Okay, if you go to ME23 and PO, and you can see the purchase order conditions, then you can see here 647 and 101. Both it is posted at the same document number.
Okay.
Okay. So this is single step. If you want to go with the two-step procedure, so then in the configuration level, what we did. Okay. And material management. So this material management and purchasing and set of stock transporter. Purchase order. Let's go with the purchase order. Read the purchase order. And set of stock transporter. Then here you can go to delivery type one-step procedure that will be removed. One-step procedure, then it will go to two-step procedure. In this case, what will be happen? Let's quickly do the process again. Okay, so I'm just going with 1 minute. Just going to do quickly. So then one quantity I'm just doing. I'm saving this one. Okay, I don't want to display again. The purchase order and all shipping tabs, everything which is coming. Okay. So shipping tab which is there, and the PO number is this is PO number, and PL10 ND, and I'm just doing the purchase order number again. With this purchase order number, I'm just trying to create a delivery. Yes, I'm just trying to create a delivery, and I'm just going to background and And you can go to logs and select the document and document. You can see this is the delivery number. Okay. So VL 02N. Let's go to VL02 now and delivery number. And you can see here this one quantity we are planning to do, and the same process, picker quantity and which store location you are picking. Okay, all these things you can enter. Okay, then save, then do the PGA. Then the document was posted this time, but the moment type is different because we are going with the two-step process. So the document was posted, material document also posted. Let's see in the document flow. This is the document flow now, and you can see 65 was posted. I'm just going to display this one. This document, you can see now this 645 moment was posted, 641 pound, 641 moment was posted. Okay, so this, what is your two-step procedure? 641, okay, 641 moment will be posted. Now again, you have to do, in this case, again, my you have to do 101. Okay, so now let's try to do VF01, the performance voice. Okay, so generally when you are doing performance voice, you'll be entering the delivery number, okay, as a reference. So this is the reference number to enter. So here you can see 101 is not yet posted, only 641 posted. So I have the delivery number. I'm just entering the delivery number here as a reference. I'm trying to create. Okay. So if it is perfectly created, then the system will create invoice for more. But now some incorrect procedure was assigned. Okay. So we need to check the logs and all. So now we can see that this is the FY document will create. Please check the logs. So where is the logs? We can see. You can see the logs here. There's some issue which is there with the perform numbers. No error logs. So, okay, document was posted. Okay. So the document was posted. I'm not sure how it is posted, but delivery, the billing document was posted. This is the billing document was posted. Perform numbers. Okay. So you can refresh this one back and refresh this one. Okay. Since it is not relevant to the PO, the reference document was not updated here. But where we can see that reference document can see in the ST document because this is ST related, right? So it is updated in the performance was created here in the delivery level. Okay. Yeah. So this is ST process. Okay. Now performance was created, right? So they will once they are created, they will send this to output and all they will do. Okay. So now, once performance was completed, what we'll do again, we will create the MIGO receiving the stock in the MIGO. Until the stock was received, you can see now refresh this one. The stock is 8 quantity in the supply plant, but the receiving plant still 1 quantity only which is there. That means the quantity was still not received. Okay, so that still in the in transit stock. Okay, that in transit stock you can see. Okay, B50. Okay, so you can see here 87 and execute this one stock in transit stock. We can see here the stock is still in the in transit stock. Still, it is not completed. The supply plant is issued, but receiving plant not issued. In that case, only display in the stock in transit it will display. Now I'll be going to MIGO and performing MIGO code system and with the outbound delivery. Now I'm doing with outbound delivery because how I don't know, right? How much stock the supply plant sent. I don't know, right? So I'm just referring with the outbound delivery. Instead of I'm going with the purchase order, I'm just going with outbound delivery because the outbound delivery supply plant using the outbound delivery sending the goods, right? So I'm just entering with the outbound delivery Okay, now the whatever the sending the quantity, it will display here from the outbound delivery. Now where you want to receive, you can receive the stock. Okay, so I'm just okay. If you want to be receiving the some other store location, you can receive also. Okay, then again check. Everything looks good. Okay, document okay, and post. If all the respective document transactions were there, then the document was posted. All the transaction indicators are updated, yearly accounts are updated. Now this document was completed. So now you can refresh this in MMB stock was completed, and you can see the stock executed. Okay. The stock was posted now for the two quantity, the receiving plant received. So this is the process for INTRA STO, single step and two step. Then two step procedure 641 1 at 1 and okay, sorry, two step procedure 641 and 1 at 1, and single step it is 647 and 1 at 1.
647.
So this is the INTRA STO procedure. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So in case if you are not using, if you don't want to use a STO process and you want to do normal MM process, then you can use some different document type, because this document type we are already using for the STO process. We can use for some other UD or something, and we can use that for transferring the stock. Okay, so I will just transferring data as well. Let's see. Now this case, okay, this case now will not get any shipping tab. Okay, you will not get any shipping tab because you not configured for UD. You configured for UB only. You not configured for UD. So I'm using this UT for normal process. Okay. So in this case, MM root, it is not STO, intra STO process. I'm using for MM root. Okay. In this case, what will happen? You are doing PO first, creating the PO with MM root. Then you'll be going to MIGO directly. Okay. Then you will be doing the stock transfer. Okay, position with outbound delivery, or sorry, with purchase order. And here you can do, and you get the moment I pay 351. The moment I pay here 351 MM road. I'm not creating any outbound deliveries. So I'm not going with ST road. So in this case, you can directly issue the stock from which store location you want to be issued. So 351 is issuing the stock. Okay.
Okay.
And stock issued, and I'm just saving this one. So defective stock of 2 quantity in the SHP. Okay. Why the stock we don't have? Must be have, right? Okay. Data should be. I have 8 quantity stock. Data should be. But we have stock. And it is showing unrestricted stock. Defective of unrestricted stock. It is HV only, right? Store location.
Data set.
HV. It should be accept, but it is something, it is, I think it is checking. It is there in unrestricted stock only, not posting to any quality or inspection. Unrestricted stock only it is there. Okay, let's try it to switch. The switch we have to convert. Let's try it to, okay. But it should be post. Okay, let's try Volta. I'll just try with Volta. UD. Supply plant is did I enter wrong? Any material number wrong? No, right? This is correct. Let's try FHP. P. And I'm trying to do only one piece. Okay. Only it's not creating any return, right? It's not creating any return. Okay. So my Geo course issue purchase and just search. Okay, check. So that's not okay. Okay, this is something different. 235 to 0. 235 to 0. 235 to 0. I still have doubt why it is not accepted for the other flat. Maybe what will be happened, sometimes if there is a multiple STOs are created or some customer orders are created, the stock will be blocked. Okay, in that case also it will be displayed, but it's okay.
Okay.
So now I'll be post this one. Okay, I'll go back and come. My Geo. And post. Okay, document was posted now. Okay. So in this case, what will happen? The stock will be debited in the supply plan. That means out of two quantity, what stock was getting down in the supply plan. Okay, that means out of two quantity, one quantity was reduced. Okay, so such is a supply plan. Okay, so one quantity was down, but still it is not updated in the SHB because still the goods issue was not completed. So here it is still 8 quantity only. Still not, one quantity was not restored. So then what we can have to do? You have to be restore the goods. Okay. So this is position. Such order or material document, actually material document we can. Okay, so 101 and this one. So what's the picture order number? This is the picture order number. And I'm receiving the course, the receiving plan. And posted document. So document was posted. So document was posted here.
Okay.
So now refresh this one and stock was now the count was updated in the in which plant? Which plant? Let us HB. It says HB. We have received the goods 9 quantity. Earlier it is 8 quantity, now it is 9 quantity. Right? So this is MM route. So MM route, what will happen? You don't need to do any outbound delivery and all. Just create a purchase order. Okay. With document type, same document type. Okay. You can use document type, but that should not be used for the configuration, STO configuration. You can use UB or UD or something, whatever you want, you can use. In item category also use. Okay. But if you are configured for INTRA STO, then you cannot use for the MM route. Okay. If you are not configured, then you can use that. So pure document type will be an item category view, and there is no shipping tab. Okay, and the goods issue using MAGO and 351 movement type and the goods issue 101. So in this case, we will not create any performance wash anything because we are not going with SD route. Okay. So this is a 1 mm route process, and this is the STMM route process. Okay, so both are plant to plant transfer only. Okay, so this is called INTRA STO process. This is called INTRA STO process, and this is called stock transfer between the two plants using a MM route. Okay. Yeah. So this is the procedure for INTRA STO. So as of now, we discussed that plant to plant transfer, which is like 301 moment type, 303, 305. If you remember that, initially we stock transfer when we did transfer postings and all, we discussed this one. So this is the one process. That means this is a single step, 301. And 305 and 305, so 303 and 305, this is the two-step procedure. This is directly we are doing two-step procedure. This is we are doing directly transfer posting without pivot. Without any pivot. So we are doing directly in MIGO. Okay, so no pivots, no anything. So other than this one, we have stock transfer with reference to pivot. Okay, so we are creating pivot, STO pivot. Okay, then we are doing the goods issue using 351 limit, and we are doing the goods issue 101. Okay, this is the one procedure. This is the one procedure, and this is the one procedure. Then this is the also one more procedure, which is like INTRA STO, which we are doing that STO PO we created and outbound delivery created, then PGI we completed, then performance was created. Okay, then we completed the goods issue. Okay, so in this case, so there is a one-step procedure like 641 and 101. It is a two-step procedure, and 647 and 101. This is the two single-step procedure. Okay, 641 and 647. Okay, so this is the three procedures we have. Okay, clear? This is the one procedure. This is we call transfer posting. This is called transfer posting between the two plants. So all are it is a plant to plant transfer only. Again, okay. Depends on the procedure you can use. And this is stock transfer between the two plants. Two plants, okay. With a member, this is a member without billing and with. So this is called a member. And without billing, without shipping, and without billing. Okay. And this is INTRA STO process. Okay. INTRA STO process. This is all with shipping and without billing. Okay. So this is the plant to plant transfer. All this type of procedures are called plant to plant transfer procedures. Okay. So there is an INTRA STO process, which is for the company code to company code transfer. Two company codes are there. So company code to company code transfer we have. Okay. So this will do tomorrow. Okay. Company code company with rest of two plans. Yeah. Okay then. We'll close the call today. Any questions?